Hello everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. This is class 8, science lesson number 1, crop production. Before seeing my video, please go through my previous videos, then only you will get the connectivity. At the same time, please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Next we are going to discuss about the third step of agriculture practice, that is called the manuring. What is mean by manuring? Manuring is nothing but it is a process of adding manures or fertilizers in the soil. That process is called manuring. Clear? The process of adding manures or fertilizer in the soil, that process is called manuring. First we will discuss what is manure, then followed we will discuss about fertilizer. First, what is manure? Manures are natural organic substances. What is that? Natural organic substances. It is full and full made up of organic substances like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Manures are contain high amount of humus. What is humus means? A black color substances which gives more growth of the plant, at the same time it provide more nutrition to the soil also. Now this manure are contain high organic content, high humus, at the same time natural sources also. How the manures are preparing? The manures are prepared from dead and decaying matter of plant as well as animal material like animal waste or animal materials and plant products, plant waste product. These are the materials. By the help of this, the manures are prepared in the field. That is called manure. The manures are classified into three types. One is farmyard manure, second one is compost manure, third one is green manure. There are the three types of manures. One is farmyard manure, second one is compost manure, third one is green manure. What is farmyard manure? The manures are prepared from the waste material of animal waste, animal cow dung, poultry droppings and waste material of animals as well as plant waste like straw, stem, decaying leaves. With the help of this, they prepared the manure is called farmyard manure. The second one is compost manure. Compost manure means here majority substances will be plant material, plant waste material only. At the same time, they will add certain amount of cow dung. They will not add animal waste product much, but they will add more amount of plant, vegetables, fruit material, waste products are there, no? Peel of vegetables, litters, everything they will add along with certain amount of cow dung also. This process is called composting. So the compost is prepared by the method is called composting. This composting can done by the help of certain anaerobic bacteria. What is mean by anaerobic bacteria means the bacteria lives without oxygen. That bacteria break down the complex organic substances into simple. In your word, if you want to know that, actually complex substances is converted into simple. So decompose the material. Complex material is converted into simple material by the help of microorganism. Right. So that process is called composting. That manure is called compost manure. Some of the compost manures are prepared by the help of worms. That worms are called earthworm. As we all know, earthworms are farmer's friend. Why it is farmer's friend? Because it helps for preparation of the soil. At the same time, it maintains the soil fertility also. That earthworms are convert complex substances, it decompose complex substances into simple. That composting is called vermicomposting. So the compost are two types, compost manure and vermicompost. So compost manure is prepared are decomposed by the help of microorganism, but a vermicompost is prepared, the complex substances is decomposed into simple by the help of earthworms. The third one is green manure. Green manures are nothing but the field contain more amount of leguminous plant like groundnut, black gram, peas. These plants are having root nodules. These root nodules very important for absorb the nitrogen by the help of one bacteria. That bacteria is called rhizobium. So the rhizobium bacteria, whatever the leguminous plant, it is present inside the root nodules. So what will do? It absorbs the atmospheric nitrogen and stored inside the roots. So after harvesting this plant, the particular area of the land full and full, the soil contain rich amount of nutrient, rich amount of nitrogen particularly. That soil is called green manure. After harvesting, the soil is used as a manure. That manure is called green manure. Example, leguminous field. The leguminous plants are growing, that land is there, no? That land, soil is used for the green manure. There are the three types of manure: farmyard, compost and green manure. Now we are going to discuss what are the advantages of manures. As we all know that manures are natural organic substances. It contains high amount of humus. Okay. Now what are the advantages? Actually the manures are contain high amount of humus. Humus is more. The second one is it is a natural organic substances. We can prepare naturally. Third one is it is harmless. It does not harm to the environment or any other living organisms. At the same time, when we apply the manure, it absorbs water also more. It gives land to absorb more amount of water. So water holding capacity also more. The fifth one is increase the growth of soil microbes. So whatever the microbes or whatever the bacteria or anything it is present the soil, that it is increase their growth. This is the main advantages of manure. There are 5 advantages: high humus, so the soil fertility will be more, so plant will grow very nicely, yield also more. Then natural, we are preparing naturally, high organic content. Third one is harmless, it does not harm to the environment. Fourth, high water holding capacity. Fifth one is increase the growth of soil microbes. Next we are going to discuss about fertilizer. So the fertilizer also we can add the soil to increase the growth of the plant. But what is fertilizer means? Fertilizer is a artificial substances which can prepared by human being. So we can tell fertilizer is a artificial substances or chemical substances. This fertilizer is prepared by the help of chemical substances like urea, potash, ammonia, sulfate, nitrate. These are the substances with the help of, if preparing the chemical substances, that substances is called fertilizer. These fertilizers are prepared in factory. So that we are telling fertilizer is a artificial substances. Right, you can understand. Manure is a natural substances, fertilizer is a artificial substances. Manure is prepared in the field, but fertilizer prepared in the factories. Manures are high amount of humus and organic substances. Here the fertilizer does not have any humus. It contains more amount of inorganic substances. Then manures are harmless, but the fertilizers are very harmful. It is harmful to the environment, water, other living organism also. Next one is, what is the example of manure means? Farmyard manure, compost manure and green manure. Examples of fertilizers are NPK, CAN, urea, potash, potassium nitrate, etc. NPK means N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, K for potassium. K, it is a scientific name, that is a chemical name, it is called potassium, gallium, so it is mentioned here potassium. Can, C for calcium, A for ammonia, N for nitrate, calcium, ammonium, nitrate, urea, potash, these all are example of fertilizer. Now, as already I told that fertilizers are inorganic substances, it is made up of full and full chemical substances, it is prepared in factories, it does not contain any humus, at the same time it is harmful to the environment also. That is that it gives more growth to the plant. When we add fertilizer, it gives more growth compared than manure. Manures will give slow growth, but the fertilizer will give very fast growth. But what is the disadvantages means it will harmful, it is very harmful to the environment. It pollute water, air, land, etc. So, what is the difference between manures and fertilizer means manures are organic substances, fertilizers are inorganic substances. Manures are prepared in the land, fertilizers are prepared in factories. Manures are contain rich amount of humus. Here fertilizers does not contain humus. Water holding capacity is more, less. The plant growth is slow, but plant growth will be more. It does not harmful, manure does not harmful to the environment, but fertilizer harmful, very harmful. It damage land, water, air, etc. So, I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.